Team, just check whether it is coming live in the YouTube. If it is there, just click on that like button so that maybe it will reach at least for 10 more students. And, let me share my screen and then we can start the session. Okay, today we are going to learn the most important array method in JavaScript. I will share my screen in just a minute. Showing my screen. Yeah, we are going to learn Array.map method. Of course, I will just revise what we have learned about the filter method, and we are going to enter into the reduce method as well. But we should do some good practice. Okay. Before that, just tell me, are you ready, team? Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Okay. Okay. Here today we are going to learn the most important array method that is called map. Okay. At the same time, we are going to discuss about filter, and already we had a discussion about filter and find in the last session, and of course reduce. Of course, we are going to learn reduce in the next session, but we need to do some good practice on map, filter, and find. Then we can understand reduce easily. Then we will enter into the event loop and asynchronous programming, all the advanced topics in JavaScript. So if you see, I'm just taking a simple array, the constant, the salaries of employees. Okay, I'm just putting like employee, the salaries. So here I'm just putting like, just ping me how much salary you want. So I'm just putting like for example, we have 5 employees, um, like 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, and 90,000. Just for example. Okay, and so most of the companies. Okay, I think yeah, when I was working with Java Solutions in Mumbai, okay, they used to give a Diwali bonus. Okay, tell me, just guess how much it was, just for fun. We used to get Diwali bonus on Diwali from my company. Okay, just tell me how much. Okay, someone said 2K, 20,000. Umbraka said 20,000. Okay, 10% of salary. It's not possible. 10% of salary. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, I will tell you. So they used to give uh, around, sometimes if everything goes well, for each and every employee they used to give 10,000 rupees Diwali bonus. Okay, sometimes 5,000. Mostly, I think I was there for 3 years. We got 10,000. I think most of the times. Okay, now the same thing, same thing. Okay, these are the salary details of the employees. For example, we have five members. Okay, please join. Okay, the proper time. Okay, fine. So Diwali bonus was there. So now I want to add 10,000 rupees to each and every employee. What I'm saying? We need to add salaries to each and every employee. So sometimes in JavaScript in programming, sometimes we need to add some amount to each and every item, or maybe we can delete, we can reduce some value by some percentage, or we can multiply the value of each and every item, or we can triple. Sometimes we need to do same kind of operation on each and every item. So here for example, we need to add 10,000 rupees bonus to each and every employee. Okay, so in this situation we can use array.map method. So observe carefully how simple it is. Employee salaries dot map. Okay, so already we understand the arrow function syntax, right? So here I'm just putting each and every item, okay? Otherwise item arrow mark item plus 10,000. So what will happen? So it is going to add 10,000 to each and every item, and it will return a new array. Okay, it will return a new array. It is not going to update the details on the employee salary array. So what it will do? It will give a new array. So here I'm just writing the constant the new salaries for that particular month only, right? Because from the next month the salary is same. Like suppose this is August. Okay, if we get a Diwali bonus for September month, so and again October month the salaries are same, right? So here, so that's why this employee salaries dot map, and it is going to attach 10,000 rupees for each and every item. So if you see, if I do console dot log of new salaries after getting the bonus, it will be just a minute, clear and node app. Got it or not? Everyone got the bonus or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So it's the same thing, right? Suppose um, in the corona time, normally it, what governments did, they have included uh, 30 marks to each and every student. Okay, right? Do you remember it has happened or not? Suppose I'm just putting like constant marks details. Okay, suppose maybe we can call it as a corona batch students, because colleges or schools didn't conduct the sessions properly, trainings properly, or classes properly, so that suppose I got the marks like 70, 30, 40, 50, 90, and 66, for example. So government has decided to add 10 marks, okay, 10 plus marks on each and every subject. Now tell me what I need to do if I want to add 10 marks to each and every subject. Tell me.
Marks dot
Constant new marks is equal to, tell me, marks dot
map
map.
arrow function
Yeah, tell me. Suppose item.
item. Yeah, item plus 10, sir.
That's it. You got to, you understand what is a map method. Okay? New marks. This is as simple as this. So, see, clear. Okay, 80, 40, 50, 60, 100, and 76. Okay, so luckily he didn't got 98 or something. If he got 98, if we add 10 marks, maybe it will be 108. Okay, so okay, those are the different things. But if you want to add anything, or if you want to do any kind of thing on each and every item in that array, we can do map method. So here understand one thing: map method will execute the callback function on each and every item, and it will not affect the original array, and it will return new array. Okay, now tell me everyone.
Here item means each element in array, sir.
Yeah, yes, or you can say each element. Yeah, element, element, that is also fine. You can give, yes, that is the each and every element in that array. Okay, now tell me, understood or not? Everyone,
Yes, sir.
just ping me yes or no. Okay, Sai Chiran said yes, Pawan Kumar said yes, Pankaj said yes, Prakash said yes. If you didn't understand, tell me. I will explain with one more example. Okay, I think everyone got understood, right? So now I will give simple challenge. So everyone should try and just ping me the code inside the chat. Okay, because everyone said you guys understood. So now I'm just taking the same constant employee. Observe carefully. Constant employee. This is an array. Okay, employee. This is an array. Inside that, I'm just taking the objects. So each and every object, simply I'm just putting first name colon some any name like suppose Vijay, and I'm just putting salary as 50,000. What I'm saying? First name Vijay, salary is 50,000. Now we can add few more people. Suppose Ram 60,000, Krishna is 75,000. So that's enough. Okay, three details to make it simple. So I'm just giving three employee details. So what you need to do now, the simple task is same thing. Add 5,000 rupees bonus to all the employees. Okay, I need a new array. I need a new array because this here Vijay is there. It is 50,000, right? So it should be 55,000, and this is 60. It should be a 65,000, and here 75,000. It will be 80,000. So I need that array. So I will give the same code in the chat. So just write the program and give me the code. Okay. First of all, everyone understood the question? If you have any doubt in the question, ask me. అందరికీ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా? Yes or no? Do you understand the question or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the program. Everyone should give me the answer. Don't try to copy from others' answers. You can't learn in that way. Then, yeah, if you need any help, ask me. If you didn't understand, because if you already have done a good practice on objects, hopefully you can do this. If you forgot, again you need to spend lots of time to recollect. That's why you should revise each and every concept on every weekend. Okay. And you should check in your machine whether it is working or not properly. That is very important. Okay. We got answers from two students. Okay, what about remaining people? Om Prakash, Pankaj, Pavan, Kirti, Sujan, Shobrani. The most important thing is we should improve our logical thinking. So if you just follow whatever I'm teaching, that is just to understand the concept. But while attending interviews or even if you want to get more knowledge, you should keep on doing coding challenges. You should try something different. Then only we can learn things perfectly. So in a classroom, we can help you up to 10%. So remaining 90% things, you should understand the concept, you should do practice, you should find out the coding challenges, you should be able to write and you should be able to solve them so that you can improve your logical thinking. Okay, fine. Done. So last 30 seconds. Okay, if anyone wants to share your screen. Okay, Saij, okay, who has given answers? Sai Chiran, just share your screen and execute and show it to me whether it's working or not.
Oh,
Okay. Why it is just occupying only. Okay, Sharon, you just open your VS Code. Yeah, we're able to see your screen. Just unmute and open your VS Code so that we can able to see.
sir, I'm unable to share my video.
You're not having it. Okay, no problem. Okay, done everyone? Pawan, did got the answer? Pankaj, what about you? Okay, you're doing or can I explain? Anyone can you can share your screen so that I will help you. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, let me explain. Just a minute. Sorry. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see, if you just do console.log employee, okay, we are able to see all the employee details, right? So this is the item one or element one, and this is the element two. This is element three. Okay, previously you have done easily. So just item arrow mark item plus 5,000. So here this is also similar. So if you see the constant, the new salaries or anything like take new employee object, okay, employee dot map. Observe carefully here. What we are doing, we will take an item. So here item means whether it is a number or it is an object. Hello. Here item means whether it is a number, the like a 50,000, 60,000 or 75,000, or it is an object of an employee. ఇక్కడ ఐటమ్ అంటే ఏంటి 50,000 60,000 70,000 లేదంటే Object.
Object.
Everyone should say what it is.
Object.
Sujan, what it is. Om Prakash, what it is. Pawan, what it is.
Object.
Object.
Okay. So item. So here it is the object, right? So and you want to change the salary of that particular item. So that what we can do. It's simply you should take the item and you can take item dot salary plus 5,000. What it will do? It will take an object. It will take each and every object. So first it will take this object. Okay, this is the object. And what you're saying, take this object, and in that object, you're saying that item dot salary just increase by 5,000. So it will go and it will reach this one. He will add 5,000 to it, and he will just push this a new item into new employee. Then he will take a next object, and again in that next object, what you are saying that item dot salary. So if you want to read any property, if you want to access any property in the object, so we need to follow this syntax, right? Item dot salary. So then it will apply 65,000. Same thing will happen for the third object. So now observe carefully whether we are able to get the output or not. Console.log new employee. Clear. Okay. This is awesome. What happened?
5,000 increase.
Just increase the 5,000, but it is giving only salary
Salary.
details, right? But I want total object. What we need to do? Because I want first name Vijay, salary 55,000. At the same time, first name Ram and salary should be 65,000. And again, the first name should be Krishna and then salary should be 75,000. Tell me.
Item dot first name.
Hmm? Okay, tell me. Item dot?
First name.
First
Name.
item dot first name.
Where I
Yes.
need to add item dot first name?
After so
After the item.
yes.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no,
Yeah.
not here. Yes,
Here?
yes. Here. No, no. After the arrow. Let me tell you, sir.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
here.
Hmm.
Item dot first name.
I need to use like this.
Yeah, curly bracket. We have to use curly bracket and
Here, item dot.
first name
That's it.
like this. Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir. I think so. I have done like other thing. I have used some
Okay,
other
let's
thing.
see.
Yes, sir.
What happened? It is giving undefined.
Undefined.
Yeah, then
Uh, so, 1 second.
Sir, again, close brackets is item before, sir. That curly
No,
bracket before.
like this. We can do like this.
Curly item before curly bracket before
I send you
closed
message.
bracket is.
again we need to use a closed bracket where
Yes, sir.
That curved bracket,
Close,
I
yeah,
don't know
close the
exactly.
bracket. Close the bracket. Item. After item, close the bracket.
here.
Yes, close the bracket.
Which bracket?
Not the here, sir. Arrow mark after.
Just one minute. Go one by one. Yeah, Pankaj, tell me what is your answer.
Sir, I have written
Chat.
in the chat box. Yes, please check it. Let me tell you, sir. I let me send you whole thing
Okay.
like this. Const add bonus like this.
So what you are doing, you're taking an object. Again, you're returning, putting value dot first name colon value dot salary. Okay, let's see what will happen.
Hmm. It is showing answer here, sir.
Just give me entire code then. So here you're constructing value dot first name colon value dot salary plus 10,000. Okay, if you see, this is the key and this is the property name and this is the value, right? So you're taking employee dot first name, you're giving as a key, and value you're giving a new salary. Here itself it is not correct. Understood what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, just ping me. Anyone, if you have any other. Okay.
It is working in my machine, sir.
It's
I
working in your
don't.
machine. Just give me entire code if it is
Okay, sir.
working.
Uh,
Okay, Lalitama, just give me exact code.
sir, can I show my screen?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm stopping sharing.
Sir, I can't understand.
Okay, I will explain.
So this is the code, and this is the answer. And
What is the answer? Okay, tell me.
I am adding 10,000.
You're adding first observe carefully. What is the initial array? It
It is
has
a,
an object first name Vijay, salary 50,000, right?
yes,
Okay. What I said, first name should be Vijay, salary should be 55,000, right?
yes.
What you have done? Vijay 60,000, Ram 70,000, Krishna's 85,000. So you have just changed the entire structure of the information, right? Original object.
Okay.
Got it or not? We should have a first name Vijay, comma, salary 55,000, right?
Hmm.
As a first object. But what you did, you're taking first name from that object as a key and you're giving a value as a salary. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, Pavan, అక్కడ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏముంది ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ విజయ్ శాలరీ 50,000 ఉందా?
Yes, sir.
సో వచ్చే అవుట్పుట్ లో కూడా ఏముండాలి? ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ విజయ్ కామ
Okay.
శాలరీ ఏముండాలి?
50,
55,000 ఉండాలి.
55,000.
తను ఏం చేశాడు?
60,000. 10,000 add చేస్తే 60,000 అయింది.
ఆహా, అది ఓకే. ఎక్స్ట్రా మనీ ఇచ్చడం అది కాదు. ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ మారిందా లేదా?
ఎస్ సార్ మారింది.
ఏం మారింది చెప్పు?
Can I stop?
ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ విజయ్ ఉంది సార్. శాలరీ 50 రావాలి కానీ 50 రాకుండా డైరెక్ట్ 60 వచ్చింది. శాలరీ రాలేదు కదా సార్.
అది కాదు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయ్? Curly brace, first name as a key, value as a Vijay, comma, salary, colon 50,000, right? In the output also, we should have the same object, but the value of that first item should be 55,000 or 60,000, whatever it is. But what happened here? You're taking a Vijay as a key and value as a salary, right?
Yes, sir.
You have changed the whole entire structure. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, now try with other options as well.
Okay.
సార్
Then,
ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి రెండు మార్చాలి కదా సార్, మామూలుగా రెండింటికి రాయాలి కదా కోడ్.
Yeah, you can try. You can try and just give me the code.
now it is giving not a number
Yeah,
like this.
because whenever you try to add numbers and strings, then it will obviously give an error, not a number.
Okay. So please tell me everything about this.
Yeah, I will explain. Anyway, I will explain. But try.
Okay, sir. I just tried. So my answer is the answer by doing this thing. Answer is coming like if I like this 50,000 come Vijay
No,
50,000 a month.
yes, you are successfully increasing the salary of an employee, but you are coming with a different kind of structure, right? Of an
Yes, I
option.
use different kind of subject. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just try. I need a
I
okay, I will show you what should be the output. Okay.
okay, sir. You're looking for like this same thing, na? BJ is equal to 60,000 increasing salary, na?
No. Output should be
Okay. Okay, sir. Please explain. I will stop my sharing.
okay. Let me share my screen. The new object information should be like this. Output. This should be the output.
Okay.
What you did, you're saying Vijay colon 55,000, Ram
Yes.
colon 65,000. That's the wrong thing, right?
Yeah, I just try some other option. Na?
Yeah.
That's why.
Fine.
You were asking like the output should be in object.
Yes, the same thing.
Okay. Object.
This
So
should this
my answer was in array.
yeah, that's the wrong.
Okay.
No, the entire because we need output as an object. This is the object.
Okay.
This is array, right? Array of
In
three employees, right?
array of object. Yes.
Yeah. Output also should be array of three employees, and the salary just increase by 5,000. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. This should be output. In the middle, you can write the program. Okay, I will give a. Can I give a clue?
Yes, definitely.
I just use a spread operator.
Okay.
Remaining people, you guys understood the problem or not at least, or you have any other answers also. So I'm just giving right now 8:33. So I'm just giving 7 minutes to you. Just try on your own way and bring the output.
సార్ అక్షయ్ శేని సార్ చెప్పినాను కదా, మీరు సింపుల్గా ఉంది సార్, ఎట్లయినా రాయొచ్చు సార్ కోడ్.
కాకపోతే కరెక్ట్ రాయాలంతే.
సార్
ఎలా అయినా రాయొచ్చు, కరెక్ట్గా రాయాలంతే. Okay, you can try anyway. Okay, and even you can take help from Google and ChatGPT as well. But don't copy paste. Just understand exactly what it is. Okay, time up. Anyone done? I told you the clue also. Okay, can I explain? Kim, can I
Yes.
explain?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Okay, that so sometimes concepts are very very simple. If you take the simple examples, it will be more easy. But whatever we have learned so far, we should mix up all the knowledge and then we can come up with a solution. Okay, no problem. It's I know it's difficult in the beginning, but that's why we need to do some different coding challenges. Okay, this is what our expected output. Okay, are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here what I'm doing, constant, just a minute. Constant, I'm just putting like an output equal to employee dot map. Okay, so here what happening whenever we do just item dot item plus, sorry, item dot salary plus 5,000. So what it is doing, so our expectation is it should take this array, sorry, object, and it should change the value, right? But here what is happening, so it is taking the item. Yes, it is initially it is taking the item, it's taking the item, and from this what we are saying, item dot salary plus 5,000. So it is taking item dot salary as a 50,000, 50,000 plus and 5,000, so it will be 55,000. What it is doing, it is just pushing this into new array. Suppose out is there now, out, just imagine out is an array, of course it is an array. So it is just pushing the 55,000. Then it is taking the second item, and from that second item it is just taking item dot salary, that is 60,000, and it is just adding 5,000, and it is just pushing 65,000. That's what happening, right? But what we need to do, we need our object as it is, and the only value of the salary should be increased. So in that situation, again we should go back to the some basics. So here observe carefully, it will be a little bit trickier. So if I do return item, what will happen, just tell me. If I do item arrow mark item, what will happen?
It
What will
will
happen?
print everything, sir. I think.
Okay, we will get
Say
everything, right?
yes, sir.
So if I do console.log of out, so we are not doing any change. We are just taking entire array. We are just taking entire array, and we are saying that okay, just give me my entire array. Okay, just give entire array. It will give us. So we don't have any problem. So here, what we can do. So I will tell you in a simpler way. So I'm just using a curly brace. Okay, I will explain the reverse order as well. So what I'm doing, observe carefully. So I'm just returning the, what I'm doing, returning a new object, because this is the object, right? This is the object. So here I'm constructing a new object based on existing item. What I'm saying, I'm taking this item and again I'm constructing entire new object in a similar way. So observe carefully here. How many of you remember the spread operator? Three dots. Okay, I hope you remember. But we should know where to use also, right? So what I'm doing here, observe carefully. I want to copy this item. I want to copy. So how to copy the item? Can I do like this? Three dots item. What will happen if I do three dots item? Just tell me what will
It will
happen.
spread. It will spread all the items.
All the items. So it will take this item and it will spread the all the items. So here if it takes first name and salary, yes, here also it will be first name Vijay and salary. Then it will take the second item and again it will spread first name Ram and salary as 60,000. Observe carefully. You will get the same output now also. Yes or no? Yes or no?
H, sir.
Suppose, observe it, for practice purpose, understanding purpose, if I do 10, what will happen? So it is showing an error. Because I just use a curly brace because. Tell me, if I do return 10, what will happen? Just cross check it. What will happen? Whether you are understanding or not, that's why.
It will return 10
How many times?
3 times.
Yeah, because what I'm saying, take the entire item, but just return 10. This is the meaning of that. Okay, just take the entire item, and what we are saying, just return 10. Okay, maybe it is not meaningful for us, but that is happening. So if I do curly brace, first name, blah blah blah, what will happen? Tell me.
It will return this object 3 times.
It will return this object 3 times, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone should say whether you are understanding or not. That's why I'm asking. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will return that object 3 times, right? What you're saying? You just take this object, but I want just a simple object like first name as a blah blah blah. So there is no meaning, right? So now, but what is our expectation exactly? I'm just giving an item. Okay, Raghu, I'm just giving an item. Just take that item exactly, but just change the value of salary. So in that situation, what we can do? What I'm saying? First take entire object exactly. Okay, first take entire object exactly. Just take a copy. Just take a copy. So now what it will do? Again, come to the point. Okay, it is taking the entire object, right, as a new object. Now what I'm saying, just increase the salary. Just increase the salary. So this is okay. Of course, maybe I didn't explain this concept. Don't worry. So once you copy the entire object and you want to change the value of any property in that object, what we can do here? I want to change the salary, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Salary. From where you
Yes,
will get a
sir.
salary?
Item dot sal
Salary. How much you
plus
want to increase?
5,000, 50,000 would have, sir.
You
I
want
told you.
50,000? Okay, go ahead. 50,000. You want 50,000 bonus or something. Got the output or not? Got it?
It's so simple, sir. Viewer was.
If we know, it is very simple.
Yes, sir.
But JavaScript is always trickier if you don't do practice properly, if you don't use the concepts properly. So here, understood? So item, and I want to return a new item. For that, I need to clone or I need to copy properly with the help of spread operator. Then you can add any items. So now tell me how many of you really understood. Tell me genuinely. Pankaj said okay. Shobrani, Pavan said, Sai Charan said, okay. Okay, at least few of you understood Sai Kirti. Very good, very good, very good. So I will tell you simple examples so that you will understand easily. Okay. Let me create another file. Test.js. Okay. Test.js. It's already test.js is there. Okay. So if you see, observe carefully, I'm just taking constant employee. Okay. Employee. Now you will get more clarity. First name colon Vijay, last name K, and again I'm just putting salary as 50,000. Okay, observe carefully. I have only 9 minutes. Focus. So now I want to copy this one. Okay, constant employee 2 is equal to employee. Is this the right way of copying or not? Is there any problem?
Now it will take the reference of the employee.
We'll take the reference of employee, right? So if you
Yes.
want to copy without affecting that, suppose if I do employee 2 dot salary is equal to 60,000, what will happen? Whether it will impact original employee salary or not?
Yes, sir. It will impact.
Everyone should say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't want to impact that one, how we need to copy?
We should use spread operator, I think.
We should use spread
Spread up.
operator, right? I hope I explained this one, right? Now if you do console.log of employee and console.log of employee 2. Now tell me what is the salary of employee and employee 2. Otherwise, let me do one employee 1 and employee 2. Tell me what is the output? It's not very test.
Test.
Th-
Test the
this will also sometimes will give you heart attack, right? Okay, fine. So if you do employee 2 dot salary, whether it is impacting on employee 1 or not?
No, sir.
No, because
So,
this is the right way of copy. And even we have two or three other methods are there to do a shallow copy. Okay, this is called shallow copy. Okay, fine. Suppose if you see, I just copied, but I want to increase the salary because here we are doing employee 2 dot salary, right? So without taking any extra line, okay, here also we can do that. Observe carefully. Here what I'm doing, salary colon 60,000.
60,000.
Tell me what will happen?
It will do same thing, sir.
It will do the same thing because here after copying employee 1 to employee 2, again you are just changing the value of that salary of an employee 2. Here what you are doing, you just copied all the properties properly and you are just changing the only one property, that is called salary. So this is also same, this is also same, this is also same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will do one more thing. So if I do location Hyderabad, what will happen? Whether it will throw an error or what will happen? Just guess it. I know it's difficult. Just guess it. Whether it will add a new key value pair to employee 2 or it will throw an error. Hey Raghu, in
it
employee 1 there is no location. How you are going to add another location to employee 2? Or is it okay? Tell me yes or no, yes or no. Error are okay, error are okay. It's difficult. First of all, I'm saying, first of all, improve your communication skills. Communication skills doesn't mean talking in English. Communication skill means interacting at a proper time and a proper way. Okay, if I ask understood or not, if you sit silently, that is also lack of communication skills. Normally, people will think
Understood, sir.
that
No error will come.
okay. If I tell you, automatically we will improve our communication skills. Okay, Jam, just please try to improve. Okay, so no problem. I know. I was even 5 10 years back. I'm in the same situation. I was in the same situation. Still, I don't know how to talk properly in English. So node test. What happened? It's working, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you see
Sir.
what we are doing, we are copying this object to employee2. After that, I'm doing salary 60,000 and location Hyderabad. If we don't have any property with a location, it will create a new property. So now I'm asking the question. Okay, tell me what will be the output of employee2 now? If you give a right answer, hopefully you understand what we have discussed today. If you give a wrong answer, I need to
Salary 60,000. Name Vijay. Location Hyderabad.
okay, for employee2, salary will be 60,000. Name will be Vijay. Location is Hyderabad. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone should say. What is your answer?
Sir, both employees have a same salary 60,000, and
Both employees
after
have
that
the
location
same salary, 50,000 or 60,000?
Sir,
60,000.
one thing I
I
missed,
guess.
sir. Last name also will come.
Last name also will come. Okay, last name will come automatically. Okay. So now tell me,
No,
employee two. Okay, tell me, employee two. What is the salary of employee two? First of all, 50,000 or 60,000?
60,000.
60,000. Okay.
60,000.
60 or 50?
60.
60. Okay, good. Location Hyderabad. First
Location
name is
Hyderabad.
Vijay. Last name is K. That's it, right?
Yes, yes.
Fantastic. Okay. Anyone have any different answers? Crazy answers? No? No? But JavaScript have a different answer. Tell me, what is the different answer? Huh?
So confusing, sir.
Tell me, what happened? You said salary for employee 2 is 60,000, right? But it is 50,000. Why?
JavaScript last the preference ఇస్తుంది కదా సార్ maximum.
Yes. Reference is override చేస్తుందా కదా? Whether it will override or not. Okay, first, yeah, you have taken salary 60,000. Yes. At the time, it's a 60,000. And you are copying employee 1 details, right? Employee 1, first name Vijay. Okay, no problem. We don't have any property in employee 2. Then last name K, no problem. But here, salary 50,000. What will happen? It is going to override the previous salary from 60,000 to.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I love JavaScript. Maybe some people hate JavaScript because of this reason.
లాస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ లాస్ట్ ఓవర్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి 50,000 60,000 ఓవర్ చేసింది లాస్ట్ కదా సార్
Yeah, yeah.
మాక్సిమం తీసుకోవాల్సింది.
Yes, yes. So even if suppose if you do salary 30,000, what will happen?
Why is
30,000, sir.
Yes, 30,000. Okay. That's all for today. And just watch this video 1 or 2 times and understood. Okay. Thank you. I have a meeting. Bye bye.